So one of the things I want to show you now is a very easy way to learn how to really love downward facing dog pose. And what you need is a strap that you can create a loop with, and you need a good door that has doorknobs on both sides, and try to avoid using one of those cheap American hollow doors that'll fall apart. Just a good solid door. And what you'll do is you take the loop and wrap it around both of the handles on each side of the door. Okay? That's the hardest part. Now the next part is you stand up in the loop. Okay, so you can either step in it or crawl in it from underneath, but you want to stand in the loop. Okay? Then face away from the door and place the loop right below your belt line. So right at the creases of your thighs. Okay? Have your feet hip distance wide, and then you just fold over into downward facing dog pose, letting the loop keep pulling your thighs back. And then you can reach your arms forward. Okay? And the first thing you'll notice is this takes all the weight out of your arms. So if you hate doing downward facing dog pose because of the weight that comes in your arms and shoulders, this takes it out. This also encourages you to push your thighs back and take the weight down into your legs. And most importantly, what this does is this tractions the spine. Okay? The spine is supposed to elongate in this pose. And typically what happens is we have, we're using our whole body, and we end up contracting in the spine as we do this. So when we start to practice this way with our spine elongated, eventually we get rid of the prop that we're using here, and we can make downward facing dog pose feel like this normally.